So it's Ben Jordan here again with Upverter at the Open Source Hardware Summit in MIT in 2018, and with me is Jasmine from Tindie. Hi, Jasmine.
How are you doing?
Good. You have a very nice accent, I must say, a little bit similar to mine. So tell me, who is Tindie? What do you guys do?
So Tindie's a marketplace where you can buy and sell DIY hardware and electronics, and we have sellers from all over the world that list their DIY breakout boards and sensors and shields, kits for kids, kits for adults, synths and MIDI stuff, and you can go and purchase, and when you purchase, they'll send it directly to you. And they're very passionate people.
So basically it's a place where people like me who design hardware as a hobby could actually make a little money and sell a few to other people who like to build stuff or want your widget, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, if you're in a developmental stage, you can just post a few boards on Tindie and get feedback, and then iterate on your next process and build up until you can do larger production runs.
That sounds very useful. So if there were circuit maker users, there's a lot of circuit maker users who put a lot of effort and time into their designs, and they go ahead and make them, and Upverter users as well. And what advice would you give to hobbyists and people who do hardware on the side? Maybe not every day as a professional, but they want to do this, and they have a vision for getting their hardware designs to production and maybe turn them into an actual product. What advice would you give from what you see day to day?
So there's definitely a lot of people who are they have a project or something that they want to do themselves, and then they start talking about it with friends or either at hackerspaces or online in different groups, and they get feedback. And if other people also find that useful, then they're the ideas that you should try and put in production. And with a place like Tindie, it's very easy for you to just get a few boards done at maybe Osh Park or some other PCB house, and you can test that out and then sell that through Tindie. And you can also just sell bare PCBs, you can sell kits, or you can sell fully assembled ones. And it's because you can do a limited quantity, there's no minimum of what you can sell. You can just try it and see what the response is online. So
that sounds cool. So and as far as documenting your project, and it's not just shipping and pricing and payment, it's do they have an option to describe the product and sort of provide some documentation for it there?
Yeah, so it's more likely to sell to people that you don't know if you describe it well and you have good documentation. On your product listing, you can outline what it does and its capabilities and the specifications and what kind of use cases there might be for it. You can also link to GitHub or other repositories, Hackaday.io, if you list it there as well. And so people can find out more about it. And videos are also very useful for hardware to be able to explain their capabilities or show how to put things together if there's slightly tricky steps or anything like that. So yeah.
So you would say that if a circuit maker or Upverter designer could embed their design into the Tindie page, or embed a YouTube video, if they make a YouTube video showing how it works or describing it, then that facility is available, and that's more likely to help them sell it if they want to sell it.
Yeah, definitely giving people a clear picture of what they can do with it. Any extra information you can provide that's clear helps people realize whether it's the right solution to the problem that they're trying to solve. And in a lot of cases, these are hardware shortcuts. So yeah, just a picture says 1,000 words, and a video definitely helps people to go, yes, that's definitely what I need to solve my problem right now. So.
That's cool. Well, thank you very much. It's been wonderful talking to you, Jack.